This is just the start. All of a sudden, we're back. Because that's how crypto works. I've been telling you to keep your cool. When you get into cryptocurrency, don't let your feelings get in the way. These things don't belong here. That's what the film from yesterday was really about. You have to be very cruel to get into the altcoin market when everyone else is selling. Crypto is set up so that you have to be either the buyer or the seller. If you want to get rich in this area, you can't show any emotions. That was exactly the message I wanted to send. Not only that, but I got a lot of flack for the swear words I used in the movie. I think there was a reason for the way it was written though, because it seems like a lot of people are only interested in the cost. It's important to look at the big picture. It's possible that XRP will change the whole banking world. In reality, you have a bill in XRP. It's not how much money you put in, but how patient you are. How much XRP should I hold? This is one of the questions I get asked the most. How much money do you think I should put into my stock when the price goes down? You need to wait because that's not something anyone can honestly say. Can you hold on to your position when everyone else thinks the price of XRP will soon hit its highest point? People will always try to guess when XRP will hit its peak, but you have to be patient because that's what will happen when it takes off. Check out everything that's going on in the real world at the same time. To be useful, the price of XRP is now being driven by how much it is really worth, and it is going up very quickly. A lot of things will go into deciding how much XRP is worth. XRP is going up, but when will you sell all of your holdings? Or will you wait until it hits 4 figures? You need to keep your cool and not give in to FUD if you want to win this waiting game. There is fear, doubt, and confusion. In the end, those who own XRP are the ones who stand to lose the most from the market. It looks like everyone is always complaining that XRP will never go up. It will definitely move. It has to happen while you're holding. That person who said it was speaking for them. What or who is stopping the banks from doing something? They can't keep it on their books because the rules aren't clear. Keeps going. I've been telling you for a long time that crypto rules will cause it to spread quickly because of this. No longer are we in the future when rules will be in place. That's good news. We'll be months away soon. It will either happen before the election or it won't. People all over the world want it to happen soon after the polls. Everywhere in the world you can see this event happen. The United States looks like it's falling behind. Brad says that they are the plumbing crew. That's one way to look at all those lines. These infrastructures are already in place all over the world. Think of them as the pipelines or trains that XRP will eventually use to move. Most of the BRICS countries already have Ripple tracks inside their countries. Here you can see that Ripple is changing the way banks work. Ripple now offers messaging as well, but fast settlement is still their main service. Every BRICS country and country that wants to join the BRICS already works with Ripple in some way, either directly or through a Ripple partner. Ever notice how everyone is in a hurry these days? Payments in real time and quick settlement. The quick problems are being fixed by Ripple in the banks, which are the most visible parts of the network. XRP's value won't go through the roof until they fix the problem across the whole system. Swift is so old and out of date that even the most famous mobile payment apps have trouble with it behind the scenes. What Ripple really wants is to be the place where all trades in the derivatives market happen. It is the futures market that has the most participants. It deals with trades worth trillions of dollars every day. We can easily hit 3 or 4 figures for XRP if we can take over the derivatives market. Ripple is already making its way into this business, so this will happen at some point. Ripple has done nothing but grow over the last 10 years. In 2022, they picked up a lot of speed, 2023 with even more drive, but the way the price of XRP is right now worries a lot of people. Because of this, I'm telling you, I always sleep like a baby, no matter what time of night it is. Since I'm an XRP investor, market instability doesn't bother me. I don't care about how much XRP is worth. If it was falling right now, I would buy more of it. Do you want to know why? To put it simply, I know that this will happen. There is a new version for you that is based on more study, and all the facts are out there. This is from Great Drop, and I had to send it to the original creators of Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM. All three of these projects have Jed McCaleb and David Schwartz linked to them, as you can see. Everyone who worked on Bitcoin from the beginning, like Arthur Brito, Satoshi Halfini, Gavin Anderson, and Mike Hearn, went on to do even bigger and better things. If you compare XRP and XLM to Bitcoin, they are better. To help people understand, I thought it would be helpful to let them know that XRP and XLM are the real Bitcoins and Bitcoin was just a test for them. It will become less important for Bitcoin as time goes on and XRP and XLM become more useful. But the death of Tether will be the worst thing that can happen to Bitcoin. The following is a secret presentation that explains how the organization feels about Tether. Stability evaluation frameworks were made by organizations like SP to carefully check the quality of stable currencies. On a scale from 1 to 5, where 5 is the worst, they give Tether a score of 4. A lot of people are worried about Tether because it isn't very open and there is a lot of credit market and interest rate risk. It got a terrible score. Now that everyone knows how bad Tether is, I even said that it had to die at a certain point so that regulation could happen faster. There would be more openness, and banks could use closely watched safe currency. Right now, it seems more important than ever because Mika has already shown us how this will end. Mika was right when she said that Tether doesn't work well with money. I think it will quickly lead to rules being followed, even though it will hurt financial companies in the long run. Like what happened with FTX, the US has not yet put crypto laws into effect in this country. Still, we will need rules as we move towards CBDCs, which are basically safe coins made by the government. The end of Tether could speed up this process. As we talked about rules and laws, I said that we might run into a problem when some regulations will definitely fail to pass. This could become a problem soon, so it's smart to think about it now. We need to now keep an eye on the rules to see what kinds of wallets they require. Know your customer KYC and other steps to stop money laundering will also need to be used for wallets. Some exchanges may only be able to offer on ramps because of restrictions, but I think that regular banks will offer the best chance for growth through direct payments between digital wallets. The banks will want to hold your coin once all the rules and laws are in place. It's likely that some digital currencies will turn into real money. You can see that happening right now with the IRS. Think about it this way. Even though it's not quite there yet, the FDIC might back XRP if banks started to treat it like real money. It's an honor that you watched my movie.